Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix battery percentage not showing on Windows 11, whether while charging or while on battery. So if you want to display the battery percentage on your Windows 11 and you discover that the battery percentage is not showing until you place your mouse cursor on it just like this, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix battery percentage is not showing on Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, select Settings. Now, on the Settings page, locate and click on System. Once you select System, scroll down the System page and choose Power and Battery. Now, once you selected Power and Battery, you want to scroll down the Power and Battery page and locate Battery Percentage. Display Battery Percentage on taskbar. Now go ahead and turn this on. Once you turn this on, you should see your battery percentage comes up here. Now, if you unplug your laptop or Windows 11 computer, you should see the battery percentage pops here. And if you choose to go ahead and charge your Windows 11 PC or laptop, then you should see the battery percentage remain. Then you can now go ahead and close the settings page, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to fix battery percentage missing on Windows 11. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.